$1. If you ever been to a website that looks like this and put in your email address, like the free iPhone giveaway, someone like me made $1. If you ever been to a website like this, right, on the internet, you put in your email address, someone like me made $1. If you ever been to a website like this and put in your email address, someone like me made $1. This is called CPA marketing and lead generation. We get paid by Fortune 500 companies to help them build their email list. So you've seen these 3 websites right here on the screen, right? On the internet, you put in your email address and someone like me made $1. That email is called a lead, right? So we help the business generate the leads because the business is going to email these people and try to sell them a product or service on the back end. So this is how simple it could be, just giving away free stuff on the internet or getting these websites, right, that you've seen on the internet that I just described on the screen from what we call a CPA network. The network, right, a CPA network is a website that has over 100, 200 plus offers, right, or CPA links where you can get paid per lead generation. So you get paid per lead. One way per lead is these websites where you put in your email address, you make $1. Another lead could be name email. Another lead could be name email phone number, right? Another email could be name email phone number home address, because the more information that you generate the business, the more money you can make per lead, right? But the 3 websites that I share on the screen right here, you've seen these on the internet, and they make me $1 for every time someone puts in their email address. So what I do is I create viral social media accounts, right? And these viral social media accounts are built up by faceless channels, and we simply put those links on the top of the faceless accounts, right? Because these are viral channels. These viral channels get hundreds of thousands of views per 10 to 15-second video. So where attention goes, money flows. So we have the attention of the viral video, and we're simply just asking people to put in their email address, and we make $1. Do you see the possibilities in this? Because like I said, where attention goes, money flows. If we are creating the faceless AI videos that get hundreds, 200, 300,000 views, and we get 1% of those people just to put in their email address, and we make $1, do you see where all this transpires into hundreds of dollars a day simply by getting people to put in their email address into websites that look like this on the screen? This is what I do on the internet. If you want to learn more about what I do, there's going to be some information below. But you seen these 3 websites on the internet, you put in your email on these 3 websites, and someone like me made $1. Peace.